How to turn small wins into big gains consistently. So here's a few things I'm going to show you. But overall, you want to master one strategy. I have one, it's called NNT. I got a million videos on it. I got a million shorts on it. I even trade live Monday through Friday on my YouTube channel. I trade the strategy on the 5-second time frame specifically. Ah, shit. How to turn small gains into big gains consistently. So I trade this one pattern and it's called NNT, new name trading, you guessed it. I have a mentorship around this. I have a million videos on this. I have a million shorts on this. I also trade the strategy live Monday through Friday on my YouTube channel. So sticking to one strategy will make you profitable. And if you stick with small size and doing it again and again and again, you're gonna of course have consistent results. But let me show you how I can use the same pattern on the 15-minute time frame, and I trade the 5-second time frame. So let me show you how we can get those higher RR plays using this one little secret. So the same pattern we're looking for on the top right, you can see the 15-minute time frame. We create a zone, and we see that we failed 50% as we normally do. And on the 5-second here, we see a zone get created around 50%. So let's see what happens. We were waiting to enter at 50% on this zone. And instead of our stop loss and our take profit being at its usual spots, we would enter here at 50%. We would leave our stop loss here, but our take profit would be at the top of this 15-minute zone. Since we are looking for the same pattern on both time frames, we can take advantage of this. So we would enter at 50% on the 5-second time frame, just right here. And then our take profit would be all the way above at the top of this 15-minute time frame, right here. And let me show you. Boom. It's that simple. I'm just looking for the same pattern again and again and again. I can show you, I can give you a quick overview on the strategy if you want to see it. I'm just looking for this, no indicator, nothing. And we'll go over a bearish example right here. We get a swing high and a swing low after both sides are swept. Then we create a zone. So let's draw the zone there. Zone gets created. Then we want a tap on the zone. So a tap right here. And after the tap, we want a break of structure. And then after the break of structure, we want to make sure that price reached 100% away. So that means by grabbing the zone and duplicating it and making sure it reached 100% away, it did. Then we want price to come back, react to the zone, fill us at 50%, and our take profit would be right below, following the trend still. And if it was on a higher time frame, we would see that our bigger zone is in behind it, and we would get into our baby zone, going for those higher RR plays. There is a bullish example. I have a million videos on it, but this is just a bearish example to go over quickly. If you have any questions, please comment. This is a short video. Just wanted to quickly go over how we can gauge more higher RR. But at the end of the day, just stick to one strategy, follow one strategy. The good thing about this is that this is mechanical, and in my mentorship, I critique all your trades. So you submit your trades, I go over them, and you're profitable. It's just that easy. You just need someone to hold you accountable and have somebody over your shoulder that knows what they're doing. All right, well, I wish you the best of luck, and join me on my live streams. Come ask me questions, and do me a favor, subscribe. I got a million videos that would help you out, make you profitable, and I answer all questions. I love answering questions. But okay, I'll leave you alone now. I'll hop off. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.